got a 2020 Suzuki GSX-R1000. It's a fast by few build, and today Tebow, owner and manager of Fast by Few, is going to be installing a carbon fiber extended tank cover onto this bike. And I figured I'd let you guys see how it's done, because it's the same process for all tank covers. So
yeah, and all we're doing is we added some blue tape, because when you're riding, the carbon fiber will sit on the tank and it'll vibrate, and you'll vibrate through the paint. So I just put like a piece of blue tape just as like a little, like a protector. Nothing crazy. You don't need it to look good. You just want it to be, you know, where the carbon fiber sits, you want it to cover, and then where the tape is, you don't want blue tape because you need it to stick to the tank.
And right now, Tebow's going over the tank with some acetone.
Yeah, get all the oil and whatever dirt is on the tank off. And you can tell just a little bit where this strip is where I wiped it off, and that's how there's just oil buildup right there. Nothing crazy. All right. Last piece. Sweet. So you see all the strip. It's a double-sided tape. It just goes all around. And you set her in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of put pressure all along the edge. And then she's installed.
So there you go, guys. This is how the 2020 Suzuki GSX-R1000 looks with the SE Composites carbon fiber tank cover. And if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these yourself, I'm going to put the link for Fast by Few down below so you guys can order one. Man, that thing looks beautiful.
Right?
All right, guys, we'll see you around.